In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on off the task completion sound in Microsoft To Do. If you've ever checked off a task in Microsoft To Do and heard a quick little chime, that's the task completion sound. Some people love that instant feedback, others prefer a quieter workspace. Today, I'll show you exactly where to find the settings so you can turn that sound on or off whenever you like, quickly and confidently. Start by opening Microsoft To Do and signing into your account. You can do this in your web browser or the desktop app. The layout is very similar. Give the app a second to load your lists and tasks. Once you're in, look toward the upper corner of the screen for the gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings. If your window is narrow, the gear might be tucked behind a menu, so try widening the window or looking for a settings label. Click the gear to open the settings panel. Inside that panel, you'll see an option called To Do Settings. Go ahead and open it to access the full list of preferences. The settings are grouped by category to make things easier to find. We're heading to the General section, which covers core app behaviors and basic personalization. In the General section, look for the setting labeled Play Completion Sound. This is the switch that controls the chime you hear when you mark a task as complete. Toggle it on if you want that quick audio confirmation, or toggle it off if you'd rather keep things silent. The change takes effect immediately. There's no separate save button to press. The next time you check off a task, the app will follow whatever you just chose. A few quick tips can help if you don't notice a difference right away. First, make sure your device volume isn't muted and that your browser tab or app isn't silenced. If you're using headphones, confirm they're connected to the correct output. Also, if you don't see the play completion sound option at first glance, scroll within the general section. Some displays show part of the list and hide the rest until you move down. That's all there is to it. By adjusting a single setting, you can tailor Microsoft To Do to match your work style, whether that's a satisfying chime for every win or a completely distraction-free checklist. If your preferences change later, just revisit Settings, open To Do Settings, head to General, and flip the switch again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a task list that sounds exactly the way you want it to.